right, let me introduce it to a harness. And this harness right now, I have a actual camera mount. It's because I use my phone a lot. All right. Now, if you're looking for something that's versatile, that means that you could swap out with the different devices, different cameras, even a GoPro. This is probably the one that you want. Now, you actually have to push these two buttons here and it comes off, right? So you could go over your shoulder, and so you could put it over yourself instead of actually, putting over your head and stuff like that. So that's one thing I like about it. So if you're taking it to conventions or so forth and you want to take a rest, you can always just remove this. And also to change out the camera equipment. Now, to change out the camera equipment is through here to this bottom edge, if you guys can see that. So you do need an actual GoPro stand, all right? So in fact, I have this one right here that gives you extra elevation on it. And then you could easily rotate different cameras. So you could have 2 or 3 ready to go and just snap it in there. And like I said, it's you have to have this attachment, but once you have it attached, you could vice versa change any camera style that you want on it. It doesn't have to be a GoPro. It could be a 360 instant 360. It could be any camera you want, even like I said, my phone. So next time you're looking for a nice harness and it goes over yourself real simple, I hope you guys enjoy this video.